Hola amigos, my name es Pradnya, me llamo Pradnya. Bienvenido a mi clase de español. Welcome to my channel, The Spanish Tutor. Spanish is a phonetic language. It means that the letters that are pronounced in Spanish are written in the same way. Alphabets are called alfabeto or abecedario in Spanish. There are 26 alphabets in English. There are 4 extra alphabets in Spanish. So there are 30 alphabets in Spanish. Let us both alphabets. A is A. This letter sounds like the A sound you use to express realization in English. That's the one. Avion, aeroplane. B, pay. This letter often sounds like the English V. This is pronounced with the lips not touching. Bicicleta, bicicleta, bicycle. C is say. This letter often sounds like the English K. Before E or I, it sounds like an S, like cero, casa, house, cero, zero. CH is chain. CH is chain. This letter sounds like CH in English. Chocolate, chocolate. D is day. D is day. This letter sounds like an English D, except you should place your tongue against your upper teeth instead of the roof of your mouth. Dientes. Dientes. Teeth. E is A. E is A. This letter sounds like the English A, asking for the clarification. A, what do you say? Estrella. Estrella. Star. F is F. F is F. This letter sounds like the English F. Fruta. Fruta means fruit. G is K. G is K. This letter sounds like an English G. Before E and I, it sounds like an English H. Gato. Gato means cat. H is Archie. H is Archie. In general, this letter is silent. However, the breathy aspiration is maintained. For example, hombre. Hombre means man. I is E. I is E. This letter sounds like English E but shorter. Iglesia. Iglesia means church. Iglesia means church. J is Kota. J is Kota. This letter sounds close to the English H sound, though it varies from country to country. Hugo. Hugo means juice. K is Ka. K is Ka. This letter is uncommon in Spanish, but sounds much like the English K. Kiwi, kiwi. L is L. L is L. This letter sounds close to the English L, but with the tongue raised closer to the roof of the mouth. Lapis. Lapis means pencil. Double L is A. Double S is A. This sounds like the ear sound in English. It can also be pronounced like J in English. Yahweh, Ki, Jave. M is M. M is M. This letter sounds just like the English M. Mapa, map. N is N. N is N. This letter sounds like English N. Nube. Nube means cloud. N with tilde is called N. N. This letter sounds like NY in English, like canyon. Canyon. Nino. Nino. Nino means what? O is O. O is O. This letter sounds like O. O in English. So, also. Also there. P is pay. P is pay. This letter sounds like English P. Palmera. Palmera, palm tree. Q is cool. Q is cool. This letter sounds like K. Queso. Queso. Queso means cheese. R is array. This letter sounds like English R. Rosa. Rosa means rose. Double R, array. Array or doble array. This letter sounds like double R. Perro. Perro means dog. S is essay. Essay. This letter sounds exactly like English S. Soul or sun. T is stay. T is stay. This letter is softer than English T. The tongue should touch the teeth. Taco. 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 U is oo. U is oo. This letter sounds close to the oo in food. Uvas, grapes. Uvas, grapes. Yeah. V is uve. V is uve. Uve or ube. Uve or ube. This letter sounds like the English B. The lips do not touch. But in some region, you can also hear it B. Waka or baka. It means cow. W. Uve doble. Uve doble. This letter sounds similar to English W. V feel. V Wi-Fi. X is X. X is X. This letter is pronounced like the KS in English socks. Socks. However, in place and person names. For example, Mexico. It can be like English H. Mexico. Mexico. Xylophone. Xylophone. Y is ye. Y is ye. Y. Most of the time, this letter sounds like Y in English. At the end of the word, it sounds like the letter I. I. I means there is. You may also hear it called Y. Yate, yach. Z is seta. Z is seta. This letter is pronounced like English S. Sorrow. Sorrow means fox. Sorrow means fox. Now let us start with the quiz.
C. 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 F. 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 I. E. E. Double R. Double R. 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 O. 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 W. W. V doble. V doble. Y. 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 Z. Z. Seta. Seta.
Thank you for watching my video. If you have liked my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Adios. Goodbye.